Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another tutorial video for everyone. In this particular video here, I'll be showing you how to remove the A-pillar trim on a first generation Toyota Tacoma. This is a 2001 model, and there may be some variations between the years. There also may be a similar procedure for other Toyota models as well. Starting with the driver's side, first is pulling off the door gasket, which fits over the pinch weld. Watch for any adhesive which may be coming off the rubber gasket or pinch weld. Next is pulling off the trim. It just snaps into place. Start at the very top and work your way down. There will be two clips in behind. Then lift it straight up. There is a tab which tucks behind the dashboard. If a clip stays into place, using pliers, close the clip and pull it straight out. Then push it back onto the trim side. Here's a view behind that trim piece. On the passenger side, this is slightly different. Remove the two plastic caps on the grab handle using a small standard screwdriver. Using a 3/8 drive ratchet, 3-inch extension, and a 10mm socket, remove the two 10mm bolts. These will come out a bit harder, which is normal. They do have thread locker applied. Remove the handle. Next is pulling off the gasket. Again, watch for any adhesive. And finally pull off the trim. Start at the top and work your way down. There will be two clips again. Then lift it straight up to disconnect the tab at the bottom. I had another clip stay in place, so that was also removed using the pliers. Then reinstall it back onto the trim piece. Here's another view in behind that trim. And finally a view in behind both those trim pieces. As for installation, it's in reverse of removal. Tuck the bottom of the trim in behind the dashboard, make sure those clips are aligned, and then snap it into place. Reinstall the rubber door gasket. This goes over top of the pillar trim. For the passenger side, reinstall the trim piece. You can peek in from the door opening to make sure those clips are aligned with their holes. Push the rubber door gasket back into place. And install the pull handle, reinstall both those bolts, and tighten. Then clip the caps back on. They only install in one orientation. New videos are released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.